Okay, I'm going to show you how to save and upload your results from your learning styles assessment. So once you've completed the learning styles assessment, you're going to get a page that looks like this with your scores and maybe some information on your scores. You're going to click on the printer friendly version here on the right hand side. You are going to write your name in. Then you're going to write yes, add my name. For you, I want you to add your first and last name. Then it will generate this screen right over here. And I want you to take a look at where it says print window right here on the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click print window. You're going to look for your printer's destination, or a lot of times this will say your printer's numbers or the name of your printer. You're going to switch that to save as PDF. Once you do that, you're going to click save, and you're going to get this dialog box where you can save your results. I would name it something that you will remember. You can just write your name and learning style. Okay, so I'm going to write Laura learning style results, and I'm going to save it. Once I've saved it to where I want to save it on my computer where I can get it again, I am going to now go into Focus and upload it into Focus.